Have you ever found yourself stuck in traffic, desperately trying to hail a cab or book a ride? Or maybe you have spent hours waiting for a taxi to arrive only to have it cancelled on you at the last minute. We all have been there. With the rise of ride hailing services, booking a cab has become easier than ever. But what if you could take it to the next level by building your own cab booking chatbot? In this video, we will show you how to do that just in 5 minutes using easy to understand Python code. No prior experience, no problem. Our step-by-step video is perfect for beginners and you will be amazed at how quickly you can create your own chatbot to book a cab. So let's get started with understanding it using a Python. So this is the Python code where we will create a simple chatbot that allows users to book a cab by typing book and then providing their pickup location, destination and preferred cab type. Here the chatbot checks if the preferred cab type is available and books the cab if it is. This code uses a dictionary to store the user's booking details and a list to store the availability of cabs. So first of all, this code will start by importing the natural language toolkit library. And then it will import the WordNet Lematizer class from this NLTK library, which is used for stemming and lemmatization of words. After this, it will create an instance of WordNet Lematizer class and then it will import the random library. Now this cabs is equals to ID, name, Uber available. So this line will create a list of dictionaries where each dictionary represent a cab with its ID, name and availability. Then we will define an empty dictionary to store the user's booking details. After this, we will define a function name bookcab that contains the main logic of this chatbot. And then we will print a welcome message to the user. Then we will print instructions on how to use the chatbot. So while true, that is this line starts an infinite loop that will continue until the user types exit. Then user input is equals to input u, that is this line gets the user's input from the console and then we will convert the user's input to lowercase to make the chatbot case insensitive. So if user input is book, that is this line will check if the user input is book. If the user input is book, then the next line will print a prompt to enter the pickup location. Then the next line will get the user's pickup location from the console and then will print a prompt to enter the destination. And then we'll get the user's destination from the console. After this, it will print a prompt to select the preferred cab type. And then it will get the user's preferred cab type from the console. So for cab in cabs. So this line will start a loop that iterates through the cab list. So if the cab's name dot lower. So this line will check if the user's preferred cab type is available. If the cab is available, then the next line will store the cab ID in the booking details dictionary. And then it will store the pickup location in the booking details dictionary and then it will store the destination in the booking details dictionary. So cab available is false, that is this line updates the availability of the cab to the false and prints a success message. Then your booking details, so this line will print a header for the booking details. Then this booking details line, so this will print the booking details. So break means this line will break out of the loop. Else it will write this print sorry your preferred cab type is not available. So if no cab is available, so this line will print an error message. So elif user input is equals to exit. So this line will check if the user's input is exit. If it is so, it will print a farewell message. Otherwise it will break out of the loop. And if the user's input is neither book nor exit, then this line will say I didn't understand that, please try again. So after running this code, we will get the results like this where we can type book either in the lowercase or uppercase as it is case insensitive. So here we will write our pickup location. Then we will write our destination. After this, we will write what type of cab we want to book. And then as we have booked it, we can say exit to come out of this code. And that's it. You have successfully built a cab booking chatbot in just 5 minutes using easy to understand Python code. You can now impress your friends and family with your newfound skills and even use this chatbot to book a ride in no time. Remember, building a chatbot is not rocket science and with the right guidance, anyone can do it. We hope this video has sparked a passion for coding in you and we can't wait to see what you build next. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, leave a comment in this video. Happy coding and happy writing. Thank you.